Assalamualaikum kids, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Students, today we are going to start our new theme. Do you know what is the name of our theme? Our theme name is birds. Birds mean parinde. Let's start our theme. This is pigeon. Pigeon. Kabutar. Kabutar. Sparrow. Sparrow. Chidiya. Chidiya. Eagle. Eagle. Ukab. Ukab. Crow. Crow. Kawa. Kawa. Parrot. Parrot. Tota. Tota. Now repeat after me. Pigeon.
Pigeon.
Kabutar.
Kabutar.
Sparrow.
Sparrow.
Chidiya.
Chidiya.
Eagle.
Eagle.
Ukab.
Cock.
Crow.
Crow.
Kawa.
Kawa.
Parrot.
Parrot.
Tota.
Tota.
Where is crow? Very good. Where is eagle? Excellent job. Do you know where is sparrow? Wow. Is this a pigeon?
No, this is parrot.
Very good. What is this?
Pigeon. Kabutar.
Shabash. What is this?
Sparrow. Chidiya.
What is this?
Crow. Kawa.
What is this?
Eagle. Cock.
Very good. Students, do you know these birds can fly in the air? ये वो परिंदे हैं जो हवा में उड़ सकते हैं. Hope you learn birds name. Thank you so much. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz. Assalamualaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Students, as you know that our theme is going birds parinde. So now I'm going to tell you about non-flying birds. This is peacock, more, peacock, more. Hen, murgi, hen, murgi. Ostrich, shutarmurg, ostrich, shutarmurg. Duck, buttock, duck, buttock. Turkey, failmurg, turkey, failmurg. So students, these birds cannot fly. They are non-flying birds. Now tell me, where is ostrich? Very good. Where is hen? Where is turkey? What is this?
Peacock. More.
What is this?
Duck. Buttock.
What is this?
Hen. Murgi.
Very good. Excellent. So students, hope you learned non-flying birds name. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Assalamualaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to do very interesting activity. Our activity name is sorting activity. Yeah. These all are birds. We are going to do sorting activity with these flashcards. First, let's revise the bird's name. Parrot, tota. Sparrow, chidiya. Vulture, get. Turkey, failmurg. Buttock, duck. Ostrich, shutarmurg. More, peacock. Hen, murgi. pigeon, kabutar. Students, we have to do sorting of flying birds. We have to separate flying birds and we have to paste it over here. Now let's start it. Search out the flying birds, birds who can fly.
Parrot. Tota.
Very good. Parrot, tota. Very good. Now search it more.
Sparrow. Chidiya. Vulture. Gibb. Eagle. Uqab.
Very good.
Pigeon. Kabutar.
Good.
Crow. Kawa.
Very good. Crow can also fly. So students, these are the birds who can fly. These are flying birds. Parrot, tota. Eagle, uqab. Sparrow, chidiya. Pigeon, kabutar. Vulture, gibb. Crow, kawa. These are flying birds, and these are birds who could not fly. Turkey, failure. Peacock, more. Duck, buttock. Hen, murgi. Ostrich, shuddermurg. So students, hope you learned. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.